Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to understand about with column and with column renamed in PySpark. So with the help of the with column and with column rename, if you want to add a new column or if you want to change a data type or if you want to rename, then that actually we can do with the help of the with column and with column rename. So let's try to understand the use case. My first requirement is like suppose this is a data frame which we have created in previous video, right? My requirement is like you can see this quantity, this one of the column, right? You can see as of now it is in string. You can see ABC, right? This I want to convert into the integer. I want to convert this quantity, this particular column into a integer. As of now it is in string. How actually I can do that? So for that we can use a with column. So what you have to write? I am creating a new data frame df1, and what I will write, df dot with column. After that, which particular column? So column name you have to pass. Column name is quantity, right? So you have to pass the column name quantity, and after that we will write this we want to typecast. So call is one of the function which is available, so that actually we have to import. So how actually we can import that? Let me show you. So what you have to write, first you have to import few library to use that from PySpark dot SQL dot functions import star, and also we will import one more thing from PySpark dot SQL dot types import star. So this two actually you can use it to import a few of the library, few of the function which is already available. So what actually I am doing, coming to this, I want to change this column data type to the integer. So I will write df dot with column, this particular column. I am using a call, one of the function. Which particular column you have to pass here? Quantity. I'll just copy this, and I want to cast into the integer. Use cast into the integer. So you have to write integer. So what I have written, df dot with column, which particular column you want to change? Quantity column. I want to convert this quantity column from a string to a integer. So I have written the integer. Now if I'll show you, df1 display df1 dot limit 3. I want to see only the 3 record. Let me execute. It got executed. Now let's see the result. Now you can see quantity column got converted into integer. You can see 1, 2, 3 it is written before to that, right? Previously it was a ABC, that was previously it was a string, now it is a integer. So with the help of the with column we can convert any data type with the help of this particular approach. Now suppose you want to convert into the string, then you will pass string here. If you want to convert into the any other data type, then also you can pass here. So I hope you got the idea. That is the first use case. Now the second use case is like update the value of existing column. Suppose I have one of the column, this quantity, this particular column we have, right? What actually I want to do, this particular quantity column, right? I want to multiply this with 2. I want to multiply this quantity with 2. How actually I can do that? So I'll create a new data frame 2 equal to the df1 dot with column, which particular column? Quantity, right? So just pass that. This quantity column whatever we have, this I want to multiply with the 2. So what I will write? Call, we will use a call function quantity into 2. Now what actually we are doing? Whatever the quantity column we have, right, that actually we are multiplying with the 2. So if you want to update the value of the existing column, that also we can do. Now if I'll show you display df2, we want to see only the few records. So let me see the 3 records. Now if I'll execute, so you can see the quantity got multiplied with the 2. So if you want to update the any existing value, that also we can do with the help of the with column. Now suppose I have another requirement. My requirement is like I want to create a new column from the existing column. Suppose I want to create a new column name as a quantity 1. How actually I can do that? So for that, what I will use, df2 dot with column, and I will write, I want to create a new name, so I will give the quantity 1 something. This is the new column I want to create. Whatever the name you want to give, you can give here. And what will be the logic of this quantity? So its logic will be the I want to quantity, I want to divide by 2, and I want to create a new column. So you have to write 2. So what I am writing, I am creating a new column quantity 1. I am dividing this existing column by 2, and I am creating a new column. Now if you want to see the data, right, what you have to write, display. Now let's see whether it is working or not. Let's execute. Now in this case, what will happen? The new column got created, quantity 1, and whatever the value we have in a quantity, right, that actually we have divided by 2. So like that, if you want to create a new column with the existing column, we can do with the help of this. Now suppose you want to add a new column, the column name is country. How actually you can do that? So if you want to add a new column, what you have to write? Let me create a new data frame, df3 df2 dot with column. I want to create a new column name as a country something. I will give country 1. And what will be the value? Suppose by default value, if you want to pass something, so you can use a lead and you can pass that. Suppose by default value is a USA. So this I am passing. Now let me show you. Display df3 dot limit to, let me execute. Now what will happen? New column country 1 will be created. You can see country 1 will got created, and with the default value as a USA. If you will not pass LIT, then what will be happen? Null value will be there, but we are passing a default value as a USA. So if you want to add a new column, that also you can do. Now suppose your requirement is like you want to rename the any of the existing column. Suppose I have a one of the column zip mode. This column I want to rename as a S mode. So how actually I can do that? So if you have to rename the column, then we will use a with column rename. So I am creating a new column df4, and what I will write, df3 dot with column renamed, with column rename. After that you have to pass which particular column you want to rename. I want to rename the zip mode column. This column I want to rename. Suppose let me rename with the lowercase only, zip mode. And let me show you the display df4 dot limit to. If I'll execute, you can see previously zip mode was in a capital, right? Now we have renamed into the smaller case. So like that, if you want to rename, you can do that. So if now what are the use case? If you want to change the data type of any column, we can use a with column. If you want to add a new column, then we can use a with column. If you want to rename the column, then we can use a with column rename. So these are the use case of the with column and with column rename that generally we use in a PySpark code. So I hope you got the idea. Please do practice.